Hi, this is Jane with GreenBiz. We're doing our video outside, so I apologize. There's a little noise from the waterfall. You might hear a little noise from, well, cars going by. But what do you get? It's outside and it's a beautiful day, so we're going to just do it out here. Today we are going to be talking about plants that you plant not necessarily for the flowers, but for the color and the texture. Behind me I have a weeping bald cypress. Now this is a tree that, well, it weeps. The branches come out over like this. You can see that. It has a great texture. It's a texture that if you touch this, it doesn't hurt you. You know how some plants you don't want to touch them. This one you can. This one will lose its leaves in the winter. And then of course you can see how they come back. It has this very soft green right now because it is still fairly early in the spring. This one is actually planted close to a waterfall. It does well close to water. Behind me, we have another tree right there. It's called the forest pansy redbud. In the spring, it has these gorgeous kind of pinky purple flowers, and then they give way to this beautiful leaf color. In your yard, having something you're green and then having this cascade of red leaf is just a very nice complement to each other, and it makes your yard, well, interesting, fun to look at, and very beautiful. Behind me, I have a blue Atlas cedar. As you can see, it has kind of more of a blue-gray tint to the leaves versus a solid green. This particular cedar, very soft leaves. This one has an upright growth, but the branches have just a little bit of a weep. Not quite like that other one that we looked at, but just a little bit of a weep to them. Gives it a, well, almost a Charlie Brown look. Such a beautiful tree, and it will look so nice in your yard. Perhaps you don't have space in your yard for a tree. How about a small shrub? This is a gold Mop Cypress. Gets about 3 to 4 tall, 3 to 4 wide. Gives you that lovely golden color all year long. The more sunlight that this gets, the more golden the color will be. I am standing here with the Swift Creek privets, or ligustrums. These are a gorgeous plant. Notice the leaves. They have the green, but that golden edge on them. And these actually even come with flowers. Always a bonus, I think. Swift Creeks get about 5 tall, 5 wide. A beautiful addition to any landscape, and would probably look really nice in your yard too. I hope we've been able to give you some ideas for your yard. If you have comments or questions, feel free to leave a comment at the bottom of this video. And, well, happy planting.